the book, no one can get it. Full stop. Not for this general election 2024. That is the logic. Anything that deviates from this logic deviates from the judgment.
But at this stage,
now this was the problem that faced the candidate, this particular candidate, and all other candidates who, as per Form A of the parent statute, were nominees, candidates of PTI. What is the logic, that reasoning of Election Commission? Kindly come to para 12 at page 29. Let us read that.
Faisal Saab, very strong views on logic of things are being expressed. We don't go by, at least the Supreme Court doesn't go by that. Supreme Court goes by the letter that is written in a particular judgment. We don't take an oath on the logic of the Constitution. We take an oath on the text of the Constitution and the law of Pakistan. Okay? Logic, my logic, I may think this is because of this. My brother's logic, maybe it is because of this. I'm not bound by that logic, nor by my own. I'm bound by the letter. As simple as that. If that is the view, fine, but it is being definitely expressed. We never go by actually the judgment is this, but the logic of the judgment is that. I've never come across this contention expressed before, and I would certainly, if it's being expressed by the full court, I want to clarify it. We go by the text of the written word.
If I may navigate between these two views,
can I request you to proceed further?
आगे बढ़ें जनाब,
अपने submissions पे please आएं.
Questions of law.
आप अपने
please आगे चलें. Mr. Faisal, could you just move on and understand?
एक बड़ा मुख्तसर सा सवाल है, क्या उस जजमेंट के बाद बैट को जो प्रिस्क्राइब्ड सिंबल्स होते हैं इलेक्शन कमीशन में, क्या बैट को उससे एक्सक्लूड किया था या नहीं? तो बात खत्म हो गई, फिर तो बात खत्म हो गई. चले, इलेक्शन कमीशन की मर्जी है.
That is why the way to navigate between these conflicting interpretations of the judgment is that
interpretation is required when the language is not clear.
Sir.
Please proceed with your arguments.
The issue is how the election commission interpreted and implemented the judgment. Para 24.
बात सुने ना, ये जस्टिस मुनीब के क्वेश्चन को मैं एक्सटेंड कर रहा हूँ. इनकी ही वजह से ये बात मैंने आपसे पूछी थी. इन्होंने आपसे ये कहा कि डिस्पाइट removal of bat symbol, they contested the election as PTI.
No.
Yes.
ये आप order पढ़िए.
नहीं, order नहीं है. I am not going to order. मैं जो बात कर रहा हूँ जो कोर्ट में हो रही है.
That is not my question.
Yes, you said that कि जी अगर ना भी था symbol तो they attach the certificate of PTI. They attach the certificate of PTI along with the nomination form, which means that they contested the election through the platform of PTI.
Sir, हम
this
यही
was the argument. This was the question.
Sir, यही हम करना चाहते थे. इलेक्शन कमीशन ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया.
आप क्या कहते हैं?
Please, again you use the word हम करना चाहते थे. Who are you? You are nobody then. हम ये करना चाहते थे, then you go out of court.
No, sir.
You are Sunni Ittihad Council. You are Sunni Ittihad
Those members who wanted to do that have now joined.
You are not representing them. Sorry, I
am representing every member of Sunni Ittihad.
You are representing Sunni Ittihad Council,
which composes of independents.
We will go over the array of the parties before us. Please show us.
PTI is not before us.
You are a Sunni Ittihad Council before us.
Why don't you implement?
I think on the lighter side, right now you are hum khayalis. Sunni Ittihad Council and PTI are.
भाई कल आपके इख्तिलाफ हो गए, फिर आप हमारे सामने खड़े होंगे, ये हमारे मेंबर हैं, वो कहेंगे नहीं हमारे मेंबर हैं.
आप जरा
पार्टी हेड हमारा फैसला करें.
पहले ये ऑर्डर पढ़ लेते हैं. ये आपके आई एम क्वाइट श्योर इट विल आंसर योर लॉर्डशिप.
आप आगे बढ़ते हैं थोड़ा.
जी सर
समझा इलेक्शन कमीशन
मेरे ख्याल
नहीं आगे बढ़ते अपने फैक्ट्स बता देना. फैक्ट्स
हम भी यही कह रहे हैं, जो गलत समझ.
नॉमिनेशन पेपर फाइल किया या नहीं किया है? मैं जो पहले पॉइंट 2 में लिखा है.
सर अगर मैं ये ऑर्डर पढ़ दूं फिर मैं वो भी दिखा देता हूं आपको.
ऑर्डर तो है वो बाय लॉ, जैसे शायद वहीद साहब ने कहा, ऑर्डर्स जो हमारे सामने चैलेंज नहीं हुए हैं वगैरह. तो
सर ये इतने सारे कोई 10 सवाल इस पे उठे, उसका तो जवाब मैं दे दूं.
आप पढ़ लेना जी. इट विल टेक अ मिनट. रीड इट.
पेज 29 पैरा 11 and 12 से 2 पैरास पढ़ो.
29 जी
29 पैरा 11 and 12.
13 भी पढ़ लीजिएगा
जी. The language of Section 68 clearly provides that RO shall draw the list of contesting candidates, reflecting the name of the contesting candidate, specifying against each the symbol allotted to him. The symbol allotted to the petitioner was from the chart available for independent candidates. Therefore, the petitioner's candidature of PTI cannot be entered in column 5 of Form 33, Rule 94 of the Election Rules 2017. Explains that for the purpose of declaring seats won by each political party, the expression political party means a political party to which a symbol has been allocated by the Commission. Para 12. The petitioner has been allotted symbol from the chart available for independent candidates, as the party to which he claims affiliation has not been allocated election symbol by the Commission, allowing any entry in absence of party symbol in column 5 of Form 33, जहाँ party affiliation लिखनी होती है. An entry applicant's name as candidate of PTI will contradict the symbol and identity of party as the petitioner is declared as an independent candidate. Moreover, such entry will also invalidate the action of the returning officer under Section 67 and 68 of the Elections Act, which otherwise has been done in accordance with law. Para 13. The Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan, while deciding the matter of intra-party election of PTI dated 13/1/2024 in CP number 42 of 2024, has categorically in clear terms observed that surprisingly no declaration was sought nor given that intra-party elections were held in PTI, let alone the same was held in accordance with law. If it had been established that elections had been held, then ECP would have to justify if any legal benefit to such a political party was being withheld. But if intra-party elections were not held, the benefits occurring pursuant to the holding of elections could not be claimed. In view of the above discussion, the Commission has arrived at conclusion that the petitioner's claim for recording his party name in column 5 of Form 33 is misconceived and the petition is hereby dismissed. We exactly took this position, sir.
When you conclude, I'll ask a question.
We exactly took this position that even if the symbol has been taken away, we are still PTI candidates.
Because of the Form A.
Yeah. Yes, and Form 33 में हमारी पार्टी एफिलिएशन शो कर.
ये ऑर्डर चैलेंज हुआ था कहीं?
ये ऑर्डर
नो डायरेक्ट नहीं है, ये इसकी डायरेक्ट अपील थोड़ी है सेक्शन 5 के तहत, 9 के तहत. सेक्शन 9(5) के तहत डायरेक्ट अपील होती है इस ऑर्डर की सुप्रीम कोर्ट में या रिट होती है? इसकी अपील किस?
What is the status of the leave petition?
That was returned.
That was returned to us as having become infructuous because by then the election had happened in the 8th. This was dated the 2nd after the 8th.
Did you file a chamber appeal again?